Hi students, this is Miss J. I'm going to show you how to put two screens up. So what you got to do first of all, you got to be able to get into your Windows. So you're going to go just push the Windows button. Once you push the Windows button, you're going to go over here to where it says Google Chrome. Click on Google Chrome. There's your first one. Okay, push your Windows button one more time. Click on Google Chrome again. Okay, so you have your two windows. So in the first window, you're going to make it big. Once you've made it big, you're going to put in here, you're going to go over here, and you're going to make sure at the top where it says my name, says Leslie, you're going to have make sure your name is there. So what you're going to do is if your name is not there, then you're going to go through the process here, and I'll do that in a different video. So once you've got that done, you're going to click on balts.org. Once you've gone to balts.org, you're going to go where it says Students. Click on Students. You're going to go down, you're going to find Google Classroom. Open Google Classroom, and then you pick your classroom that you're in. Alright, so then there's your classroom. Okay, so then the next tab we're going to do it one more time. Go back to our house. Go back to where it says Students. Click on Students, go down to Google Apps. Okay, so now we've got that one opened. So now we're going to go over here to the square, find the square, click on the square, makes it small again. So now we're going to go over here to the right one. On the right one, we're going to click the big square, make it big. We're going to go up here, and we're going to look, well, actually, we're going to put in www. And then, okay, now I find the pltw.org. So I click on my pltw.org. Then I go over here to my login, and I click on login. Once I've clicked on login, I'm going to put my login in. That's my login. Okay, and then now I'm going to put in my password. Okay, and logging in. Okay, now once I've logged in, I want to go to my courses, so I click on courses. And of course yours is not going to show exactly everything mine does, but yours is going to show app creators if you're in app creators class, and it's going to show computer science for innovators and makers if you are in that class. So for this one, I'm just going to open up the app creator. And so now this is our landing page. Once we go down from our landing page, we're going to where it says let's create an app. Click on that. It opens up the App Revolution, opens up Activity 1.1. So here's your resources. So now we want to do this mystery app. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on that, and it's going to open up either the folder where it is, or it will drop down here, and then there's the little arrow that you will show in the file. All right, so right now I'm going to go to my documents. I'm going to go and I'm going to find my folder, which would be over here on the far side. Click on my computer stuff folder, go all the way down and find my PLTW folder. All right, and then I'm going to go into App Creators 1 because that's where I do, and I've got another folder called Let's Create an App. If you need to make a new folder, you can click up here, Create New Folder, and then you can call it whatever you want to. Okay, whatever you want folder. All right, I would call it App Creator in what I would do. And if you don't have one of these that says create a new folder, what I would have you do then instead is you go to Home, and then you would go to, I believe it is Save As. I'd have to go look again. Anyway, so we've got that part. And then I would save it in, okay, so it's already telling me that it's already there. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go my Activity 1.1, and I've already got it saved. But if it wasn't already saved, it would be right there. All right, so I've already got it. So I'm going to cancel out of all of that. And so now I'm going to go ahead and make this one small. And then I'm going to go over, and I'm going to go, oh, nope, I've got to go back, and I've got to do what? I've got to open up my folder, my my app here. So I'm going to open up the folder again, the window again, and then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to go www.appinventor.org, and so I think it's this one that I go to. Nope, that's not the one. Okay, back up. So MIT. Okay, I can go MIT and find it in where it says sign in Google accounts. Because I've already done what? I've gone up here and did my bookmark. I'm going to bookmark my page. So I do MIT App Inventor, done. Continue. Oops, now something else is coming up. All right, so now, once we get in there, we're going to go over here to where it says projects. You can click on projects, and you're going to start a new project usually. So there's where you start your new project. The next thing is we really want to import from my computer. So we're going to click on import. We're going to choose file, and then we're going to go to documents, and you're going to go where you put the document. I put mine under computer stuff, and then I put it also down here under my PLTW, and I went into app creators. I would click on here, find my activity 1, and okay, it's not in there. But anyway, I would click on it. So I got to go backward though. I don't know why. I don't want to go activity 1.8. I want activity 1.1. There it is. Okay, and so then I would click on it and I would click open, and it would open it up for me. And what I would do then is I would go then to my projects and I would find it. Okay, so here's my last checkpoint, and remember every time I quit I do a checkpoint. So I would click on that and I would open it up, and here's my mystery app. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thank you very much. And I got to figure out how to stop this. All right, and then I will